Welcome to the 7th Middle East Hospitality Excellence Awards at this wonderful venue here, the Arabian Ranches. And 7th year, I really, I'm so thankful. Let's have a round of applause for everyone here. This, the last 18 months have really been, very challenging for everybody. In fact, last year we even had to do our awards online, but we still did. I remember 2015 we launched our awards. My dear friend Mr. Rizwan Sajan, he's not here right now. Okay, he's coming. Adil is here. He will tell. Please tell. Rizwan told me that I should not host the awards myself. And I told him that was in 2015. Now we have our gorgeous Laura Buckwell with us. And I anyways cannot match how she does it. So big round of applause for Laura. Thank you so much. Ever since she's been here, we've grown. And we've grown from the award that Mr. Sarjan saw in 2015 at the Le Méridien Hotel to what we are today. This amazing place, amazing venue. Thank you. Thank you so much. Right. Now, congratulations to all the participants here today. Now, your teams, your hotels have nominated you from, so many people. You're anyways a winner. And it's taken over 6 months of hard work, over 130,000 votes, 2 rounds of voting, and here we are, this beautiful venue, and we are celebrating the winners. So, but everybody here in the venue is a winner. Can we have a round of applause for all of you? Please, this is very, very important. COVID is behind us, hopefully, though we have a new variant now with a difficult name, Omicron. At times, I wonder where they get these names from. However, we've survived the most difficult 18 months of our lives, and I'm sure all of you know and have experienced. This is all because of a lot of our friends who are sitting here in front of us, and a lot of us who have not been able to help us, but will help us in the future. So we are standing here because of you all. I know one of our competition had to close down their office, go back to the country they came from, and we are still here. So thank you so much. A big round of applause for all our partners, all our supporters here. Thank you. Thank you. I promise when our time comes back, we will give back, and we are trying. We are trying our best. Okay, a lot happened with us over COVID, and we did not stop. We launched our website again with over $500,000 investment last year in August. Since then, we have over 200,000, almost over 150,000 new professionals who joined us, 20,000 plus jobs, 2,000 plus companies, suppliers, institutes, courses. So basically we are being called LinkedIn for hospitality, and I love it when somebody. So this has happened with us. We also launched our website in Arabic, Chinese, French, Russian, Spanish. Many more languages are coming soon. I hear LinkedIn launched Hindi in India, so we are not far behind. We will also do the same. We signed a franchisee partner in Maldives and Australia. We are talking to a franchisee consultant in UK to give our website on franchisee. We're also talking to somebody in China. So hopefully next year would be a big year for us. We want to take this globally. We are also finalizing a franchisee partner in Pakistan. Now I am myself a Canadian, and the company is based in UAE, so I have no problems going to Pakistan. We love Pakistan. No problem, no problem. For me, no problems at all. But okay. We also started our Indian Hospitality Excellence Awards this year, though we did online. But next year we want to do a live gala ceremony. We will talk to Danube to be a partner in India as well. He's already showing me thumbs up. What I do is, the best part is I hold people here at the awards saying yes, so that they cannot say no later on, right? Yeah, Shubhojit says he did not hear anything. Okay. So if you have not joined us, join hospitality.com. Hospitality with a Z, hospitality. We are the new LinkedIn. Please, we are building the world's largest hospitality community. Now, a few announcements, very important. We finalized our Chef Awards in June. So our Chef Awards will happen on the 20th of June in one of prime properties. 9th of June with our partners ICCA and Emirates Culinary Guild. ICCA will do our semi-finals of Young Cook-Off. So we have a cook-off in the Chef Awards also. So we will do the semi-finals on 9th of June and finals on 20th of June. Danube is one of our partners for the Chef Awards already. And Delta will be there. Shiraz bhai, should I take it as yes? He said yes. Okay. Let's have a round of applause for Delta, please. Okay. We will open the nominations for the Chef Awards in January after the New Year. And now I have to say a lot of thank yous. So first of all, thank you to my teams in India, Dubai. They've all stayed behind me, behind us, through thick and thin. We did not let anybody go over these 18 months. I had to refinance my house to pay the business, but I did that. So everybody has been with us so, thank you so much. There are bigger things in pipeline, just hang on. This is for my teams. Thank you to Arabian Ranches Dubai. This beautiful venue, I think somebody just said, Filippo, he just mentioned that this is by far the best we had. Maybe we'll have the next one better than this. But yes, I mean, this is a beautiful venue. We love it. We love the lake. We love the venue. The teams of Arabian Ranches, it was not possible without your support. Emma started talking to us. Mark Kirby, my friend. Teams from the hotel, Shaban, Marilu, who's been handling the banquets, the operations manager. Thank you so much, right? Shaban is amazing. Shaban, thank you so much. Thank you to all the judges who've helped us, reach wherever we are. Now, thank you to our supporters, Danube. Danube also launched Danube Hospitality Solutions. They are our partners for this award, the next award, and they've also promised the next 3 years. Again, holding them. Yeah, so when Danube promised 3 years, Delta will not be far behind. We have... Okay. In fact, I'm talking to Danube for a much meaningful partnership. We will discuss that later on. Somebody is saying don't say. So, all right. ZTV has always been there throughout. So both the crews, Z Connect and Z Aflam, both the crews are here at the event filming, and we will come on TV later on. Thank you, Manoj, Ibrahim Matthew, my closest friend there. VIAC is also supporting us today. They are online streaming partners. Our newest partner, Toso has a booth there at the end. They just started talking to us last week. So next time, I think we should talk a little earlier so that we can give you better support and charge you more. Okay. Daniel from Absolute Frame. Sorry, I keep talking about charging and all that, but these awards are not money-making business. I mean, I have to pay Arabian Ranches. I have to pay the whole thing. We actually cover our costs. Okay. I would have not said this if I was charging 15,000 for a table. You all know that. Anyway. Danny from Absolute Frame, his amazing voice here in the voiceovers, the videos done by him with my team member Iqbal from India. These videos look amazing. You'll see how they look. Teddy from Fuchsia Events. The first year I did not thank him. Sorry, Teddy. Teddy is amazing guy. Any production requirements, all this is done by him. I do not even talk to anybody else. I mean, I just tell him, Teddy, let's do it. And he does it. So if you would like any of your events to be handled by him, he's the right person to. I mean, let me know. I mean, I'll connect you to him. Our partners, ICCA Dubai, they're giving away a free course worth $3,000 today for the young chef winner. They support the young chefs. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, ICCA Dubai. Can I round of applause for ICCA? 3,000 today, and the chef award, the young chef who cooks and wins gets a $10,000 worth course. So that's amazing. Thank you so much to our partners, Emirates Culinary Guild, Chef Uwe. Chef Uwe says that he'll go back to Germany. He always says every year he'll go back to Germany. He's not going. And please don't go back. Believe me. If you go back, let Andy be with us like you are. So, Andy, please. All right. Thank you so much. Special mentions to... Sorry? You have to pay me. Okay. All right. We'll look at that. Thumbs up. Okay. Special mention to Restafair Rack Porcelain. These trophies today, they look amazing. They were designed for us specifically and made. They look amazing. I had gone to one of the large corporate offices and I saw my trophy standing on the trophy walls, and which feels amazing. And so thank you so much, Restafair and Rack. Now, whoever has been here before, they know that I cannot leave the stage unless I thank somebody. Who's that? My wife, Vandana. All right. This is very important. If we have the camera to the audience, and everybody please say, hi Vandana, we love you. Hi Vandana, we miss you, we love you. She's in Canada, and she misses us. She wanted to be here, but she could not. Today we are live on Facebook, so she'll be watching us from there. She will tell us tomorrow how we did and how I did. So without her support, it was not possible. Next year, we will. Now, very important, next year also, we will have the awards at the Arabian Ranches Golf Club because they have confirmed their partnership. Thank you so much, and a big round of applause for Arabian Ranches Golf Club. So we will help them with whatever support we can. Now, we also to our families who are watching us on Facebook Live, my mom, my dad, my families, my friends' families, and your families, thank you so much for help to being on our side. Lastly, we asked hotels to give a few vouchers to give away here. We got so many. So if you have not put your cards at the bowl in the reception, please do so. We will do a lot of lucky draws and we'll give away so many vouchers. Whoever wins. So now I'll not take any more time. I'll call Laura Buckwell, my gorgeous friend, to come and start the ceremonies. Laura, all yours. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And congratulations, all the best.